As a runner, I tend to be incredibly tight in my lower leg. I found that the Moball is the one tool that can really pin down all the different muscles in my calf. I've recommended the Moball to a lot of other people, and they've had excellent results as well.
Not only did my clients urge me to make them one, but they insisted that if I bring this product to the world, it was going to change lives. So what makes the Moball Roller so special, you might ask? 3 things: versatility, effectiveness, and convenience. The Moball Roller's proprietary adjustability and unique features make it the all-in-one self-massage product.
I've been using the Moball for about 2 months, and what I've noticed is that I sleep so much better now. I use it up against the wall, which gives me more control, but I also use it on my legs, and I notice that it just relieves all the tension that I've gathered through the day.
Whether you're looking to recover from an injury, prepare for the performance of a lifetime, or just relieve the stresses of a day, you have found your product. It's lightweight, easy to adjust, and Moball comes in a travel size that fits in virtually any travel bag.
I'm Dr. Shay Lindsay. I'm a chiropractor here in the Bay Area. One of the biggest things I advocate in my practice is having my patients have tools when they leave the office to help them facilitate their healing. One of the struggles is just having them really commit and actually do the exercises and the myofascial release outside of the office. So I introduce them to the Moball Roller, and the amount of time it takes them to actually get through their exercises, actually get through their myofascial release is about half the time. And when they come in, they've held their adjustments better and they just have so much more energy.
At Committed HP, we understand that a single product isn't enough for you to live fully. We are committed to not only creating superior products, but services, education, community, and the experiences for you to thrive.
I encourage everyone to get a Moball, regardless of age. It's a great stress reliever, and you don't have to be an athlete. Anyone can benefit.
Moball, recover, prepare, perform.